Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your account and the server details so you don't chase the wrong problem. Enter credentials and the exact server address, then select the recommended protocol. This affects stability and speed. Once done, temporarily disable local firewall or antivirus to rule out blocking. Make sure to re-enable it later. If using a router, note its firmware version now so you can compare settings after connection tests. Now dig into the middle steps. Change networks to a mobile hotspot to see if your ISP or DNS is interfering. Next, change the VPN protocol. Open VPN UDP for speed, TCP for reliability, or IKEv2 for stability on mobile, because different protocols traverse networks differently. Then reproduce the failure and capture logs with timestamps. These entries point to authentication, routing, or certificate problems and let you decide the precise fix rather than guessing. Finish by flushing DNS and assigning a reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 so name resolution won't break the tunnel. Then reinstall the VPN client or re-import clean config/profile files to remove corrupted settings. Once reconnected, verify traffic via an IP check and internal resource access. If problems remain, try a different device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.